Shorty like $1,000 plate, fine china. Tell her that she beautiful every day.
Hey J Gang, if you're true to this, then you already knew this. I'm Keonna J, and welcome back to my channel, boo. So let's get into it. Today's hairdo is featuring a half up, half down style, and I'm going to be featuring CurlsCurls clip-ins in this look. If you haven't already, definitely check out the other video where I did a twist out with their clip-ins, which, by the way, I've had some people trying to educate me on my hair type on Instagram, but listen y'all, my head contains two different hair types. In the back of my head is where I have a type 3C versus the middle to the front is type 4A. And if anybody else thinks differently, just take that up with God because he did this. Now, moving on. These clips are in the length 16 inches and it does come with 10 pieces. Unlike the last time I did shampoo and use conditioner this time, I'm going to be achieving a wash and go style by parting my real hair first, using the following products being Shea Yogurt from Alley K Naturals, followed by Wet Line Gel. I want to make sure my curls are juicy and last for a while, and for that to happen, I'll take my hair in a minute here with my fingers and somewhat of a finger coil. Then afterwards, I'll add the longest clip in. From there, I'll be repeating the same steps until I get to the bun. So moving on up to the east, let's get into this bun action, and y'all know the way to go if you want to look like a pro, using this bomb diggity edge control by Murray's. I'm slicking the top half back and brushing it with a bristle brush, doubling up a hair tie as tight as I can to create a ponytail, then going back in with my Shea Yogurt to moisturize it to prevent dryness. Once done, I'll plait my pony into one big braid. I look like alfalfa. Now, alfalfa wishes he was this bad, but for real though, wrapping that braid into a bun, and you can use a bobby pin to secure it. It's your choice. I decided to use a rubber band instead. Then afterwards, you know how I do when I'm trying to get cute, taking out the baby hairs and leaving my haters on mute. you know, bars, and more bars. Y'all know how I am though with these baby hairs. Just watch and learn. If you're new to this, stay true to this by keep watching it, because you gonna know for sure by the end of this video that your girl be on the go with these baby hairs. Oh, and recently y'all, I've been loving these style strips. Listen, these things will lay your edges down to the gods. You hear me? To the gods, y'all. I'm just gonna leave that in and let that marinate while I take the extra clip-ins and just clip that onto my bun. There's no certain perfect way to do it. You can just clip it on there any type of way. I did take 2 of them. And basically you just wrap that around. I wanted mine as tight as possible. Again, you can use barbecue to get that secure extra hold. I didn't use it because I tucked mine in pretty nicely. And then voila, look, your girl then came back and got cute on y'all. Now listen, after you dry it, you pretty much don't have to use anything else, but you know me, I just had to be extra, so I'm taking some leave-in conditioner by K Naturals as well as their curl refresher. Let me tell y'all something. I know I'm a brand ambassador to them and stuff like that, and you know, my honest opinion is my honest opinion. This stuff smells the freak good, okay? So go purchase you some. In the meantime, I am done. Those edges are on fleek. I am on fleek and I feel good. I look good. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.
Why you gotta do this? Why you put me through this? Why you gotta do